Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on this Cozy Bliss cooling comforter. Now, this is probably my favorite comforter I'll ever own. It is absolutely wonderful, and I'm going to tell you all the things that I love about it. So first off, I have this in the mint green color. It is beautiful. It is dual-sided, so there is this lighter green side and the slightly darker mint green. Both sides are beautiful. They're soft but still vibrant, and I think that although it's a simple comforter, it still has a very luxurious look to it, and it absolutely has a luxurious feel to it. So not only is this a dual color comforter, but it's also dual sided. This lighter mint green side is a nylon spandex instant cooling fabric. It feels tremendous if you are a hot sleeper, if you get night sweats, maybe if you're pregnant, what have you, or maybe if it's just summer and you're looking for something a little bit more lightweight and cooling. This is such a great option. You guys would love it. And then the slightly darker side is 100% viscose. It feels more like a cotton. It has just a little bit more warmth to it, but it's still incredibly breathable and lightweight. The whole comforter in general is going to be perfect for summer or warmer months, but it could always be a good layering option for colder months. It's filled with a lightweight Serona fiber that stays nice and fluffy, but very lightweight and breathable. It has a helix structure to it, giving elasticity and the ability to kind of bounce back. So you're not going to find that this easily becomes overly compressed. It's going to keep its light padded feeling to it. And this does have a beautiful waved stitch design that runs through it to help keep that feeling in place. So whether you guys were looking for a gift option for someone else or shopping for yourself, if you're wanting something cooling and breathable that's easy to care for, because this can be machine washed, this is such a wonderful choice. I know you guys would love it. I would absolutely give it a try.